Hey, can I tell you why you should want to be a part of a production crew at this company? So here it is. When you come to work for us, you'll be working for the best contractor in the region. And we aren't here to do business like any other contractor. We're here to redefine our industry. That means we provide our customers with a remarkable experience from start to finish and stand behind the solutions we provide them. So this is a company you can truly be proud to represent. We also believe that our employees are our most valuable asset and should be treated that way every single day. And that's not just a slogan, it's who we are. In this role, you'll be responsible for installing our projects with high-quality workmanship and remarkable customer service. You'll deliver the final impression our company has on its customers. It's a position of great responsibility, and so we set you up for success from day one. We provide you with training on how to install our projects and all of the best tools and equipment to get the job done right. And we'll reward you with good pay and benefits for a job well done. If you want to be a valued member of this team that is redefining our industry daily, contact us today.